In a vast, shimmering salt marsh, there lived a flamingo named Flora. Flora was known far and wide for her long, elegant legs and vibrant pink feathers. Yet, she felt there was something missing in her life. One day, a wise old tortoise named Tilly noticed Flora's distress and approached her. "What troubles you, dear Flora?" she asked. Flora shared her feelings. "I wish I could fly like the birds, Tilly." Tilly pondered for a moment, then said, "Flora, it's not about having wings, but about using what you have. Look at your legs. They are perfect for wading in the water and finding food." Flora thought about Tilly's words and decided to give it a try. She began to use her long legs to explore the marsh more fully, discovering all kinds of hidden treasures. Her joy was unbridled as she realized that she was unique in her own way. One day, a group of birds flew overhead, laughing and singing. Flora called out to them, "Come, join me in the water. I may not fly like you, but I have discovered a world beneath the surface that you cannot imagine." The birds were amazed and soon joined Flora in the water, learning about the wonders she had discovered. From that day forward, Flora was no longer envious of the birds. She understood that everyone has their own gifts and that it's important to embrace them. The moral of the story is, embrace your uniqueness and use your gifts, for everyone shines in their own way.